Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. This quote by Ralph Waldo Emerson reminds me of my grandparents of Swedish heritage who left Iowa in 1872 to settle on a homestead in Polk County, Nebraska. I'm a farm girl. I'm from Polk. My mother, Grace Hahn Birney, was a journalist, and my father, Lloyd Hahn, a very hardworking farmer. My stepfather is Governor Dwight Birney of Hartington, and a cousin of great inspiration is Jim Wilson of Stromsburg. He crossed the African Sahara Desert in 1932 on a three-wheeled motorcycle. A special tribute to my family, Sister Marilyn Pierpont, my cousin Karen Stevens, my 92-year-old cousin Shorty Hahn, Polly and Doug Hahn of Central City. The Sower Award. Thank you for this great honor. It's most meaningful, for it casts the seeds of inspiration to the winds and give us encouragement to explore. Our capital is an architectural masterpiece, and the Sower is the shining glory. Thank you for Chris Somerick and his staff for their marvelous programs. There's only one word I have that I can describe them. It's Malaika. It's a Swahili word, and it means my angel. Truly, Humanities Nebraska and those staff are Nebraska's angel. For my nomination, I wish to thank my brother Edgar Hicks, a member of the Humanities Nebraska Board. For the past 40 years, I have lived on 3 continents with United Nations assignments. What were the highlights? What were the lessons learned? Nigeria, introducing 13 improved food crops to women, and the success of soybeans, an entirely new crop, when we taught the hospitals and medical staff how to prepare soy milk for the malnourished children. It saved many lives. Malawi, the end of a 36-year dictatorship, UNICEF said to the presidents running for the office, if you no longer require uniforms and school fees, UNICEF will ensure that every child has a notebook and a pencil on the first day of class. The new president came in, the mandate was given. Enrollment tripled from 1 to 3 million because for the first time, mothers went to school with their children. The pencils, the notebooks were delivered by Rotary, by Peace Corps throughout the country, and the same thing happened all over the country. They broke the pencil in half because it was the first time they had ever received a pencil, and the other half went to a younger brother or sister. But my real happiness in the achievements was founding Malaika Foundation for Nebraska. It provides global education for our colleges, our schools, our universities, and also it provides fellowships to travel abroad. Our capital is the most beautiful in the nation. Let us continue to be inspired by the Sower and also by the statue of President Abraham Lincoln on the West Plaza. Let us also recall his key message in the 1861 inaugural address. Let us strive on to finish the work we are in, and let us bind up the nation's wounds. In closing, I wish to salute the watchfulness of Nebraskans, the foundations, the nonprofits, the business community, my Rotary Club number 14, and a special tribute to our health workers. Let us recall the biblical scripture, Galatians 6:7, that states, whatever a man soweth, there shall he also reap. My hope is that each of you will continue to explore our wonderful Nebraska, encourage the study of our splendid state with a better understanding of the struggles of our native Indian population. Become acquainted with the new Nebraskans, the immigrant, the refugee population. When COVID subsides, take your family to Washington, D.C., attend that Nebraska congressional breakfast, and travel, I hope, perhaps each year to another country. I want each of you to be a sower and to continue casting the seeds of support, compassion, and love for Nebraska and our people. Thank you for this most important award. I am very happy to be home.